Okay guys, here we got the product that BEVINSEE sent us. It is a 4-foot LED whip. It looks like it's it says it's 4 feet. Box is around a little bit over 2. Probably comes in 2 pieces, so let's open it up, see what we got in the box. Grab my knife. Okay, looks like it comes with an American flag. Pretty common. Feels like the hooks are in here as well. Of course, we got the. Looks like it does come in 2 pieces. We got the whip. One piece of the whip. Let's see the other piece. This other piece. Okay, looks like this end comes off here. So, turn it together. That's una pieza. Okay, pretty cool. Looks like you have the option to make it shorter if you want to. It's a good option to have since you don't want to run the full extent of the whip. Okay, let's see what else we got. We got the wiring harness. And it looks okay. This one's different than my other whips. Oh, that's cool. Looks like if it just plugs in right here, that's it, and it grabs power. So you don't gotta plug a separate power cord like in a lot of different whips. So it's pretty cool. Standard DC AC. Pamphlets BEVINSEE. Instructions. Has an app, looks like, so it's pretty cool to have. With the remote. It's pretty much it, just an end cap for just in case, I guess, the cap comes off. Some zip ties. Let's open up the flag here. Yes, comes with the mounting hardware and a USA flag. Pretty cool. This is their 4-foot Bluetooth whip. We're going to be installing this on the Raptor. Vamos a instalar en la Raptor. Es con lo que viene. Con esto, todo esto. Y basura. Esta tapa la hay que guardarla por si un día la queremos hacer más corta. Okidoki. Okay, here is my truck. This is the one the whip's gonna go on. Put it on my Raptor because it already comes with the auxiliary switches inside, so it'd be pretty easy to install. I was debating between either putting it on this side or that side. I ended up going with this side just because I looked it up online and I think I like to look a little better on this side of the bed. Okay, so far looks like we might have to build a custom bracket in order to mount it to down there. So we're gonna do, we want this to go down here and be sticking out like this. Okay, just finished up making my bracket. It's gonna go in here, and this just screws into here, then has a hole right here, and that's how I'm gonna mount it. Here is a markup of how the whip's gonna stay. Cool. Okay, so we cut the hole on the cap so we could fit it on here, so it could be a nice clean look. Let's see how it fits. See, it's still okay. It's cooled off now. Damn, the fit is. It's a nice fit. There it is. Looks stock. Damn, the fit actually came out really nice. Nice clean cut. There it is. Okay, now here is the cover on with the whip light. You see, looks amazing. And there's the whip. Okay, here we have a mock-up of with it on. So it looks like we're gonna wire it to one of these auxiliary switches up here. We're gonna make sure it's on one of these switches. Thankfully, I don't have to run a separate switch. It's already ready to go. Okay, ahí quedó el whip. We installed the whip already. Like I said, it was pretty easy to install, just that couldn't record much of it because it started raining. Empezó a llover. Y ahorita ya está seco, pero empezó a llover, que está raro para aquí, para Los Ángeles. Like I said in the video when I was installing it, I left it flush right here. So when we remove the whip right here, you get a nice clean look. You see, it's in the bedside right here. Then we just pop it back in. Just wiggle it, locks in place. Good thing about this whip is que no tiene conexión como los otros afuera. La conexión está exactamente adentro del mounting bracket. So no van a batallar con conectarla después de que la monten. Abajo en the description voy a dejar el código 111 para que ganen 11% de descuento de la compañía. Creo que se pronuncia BEVINSEE, pero es de la compañía que mandó el web. Va a estar ahí el link abajo y para que ganen su whip. También we're gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna give away one of these whip lights to one of you guys. All you have to do is comment your Instagram name on the comments, and on Instagram on una 4x4 you just got to go on the post where the whip light is at and say done, and then you'll be entered into the giveaway. I'll announce the winner on Instagram and I'll also announce the winner on YouTube, but if you follow me, it's a lot easier to let you know if you want the whip light. But overall it's pretty good quality. Also comes in 2 pieces, so I mean, if you want to take it apart, si la quiere sacar en 2 partes también. También se quita. A ver, se apagó esta parte. Ya también la pueden usar así de cortita también. Ya no es un 4-foot whip, ya sería uno de 2. Y luego aquí también ya nomás se conecta. Como les dije, estas tienen la conexión de adentro. Así también está el bracket. So, cuando la conectan ya queda, no deben quedar conectando otra cosa. Esta nomás se enrosca aquí. Y ya es todo. Muy simple la instalación. Obviamente, si la van a poner atrás en la troca, van a tener que comprar cablado. O si la van a tener un switch, otra cosa también. Pero ahí quedó la troquita. Se mira perrón el nuevo whip. Y también tiene la opción aquí en el control. Si no la quiere poner en el switch, la puede apagar y off. Se apaga. On, queda prendida. También la puede cambiar a blanco, morado, amarillo, verde, rojo. Pero mi favorito es el azul. Y también en la aplicación ahí puede moverle, escoger el color que quiera, las combinaciones que quiera. También pueden hacer así, que cambie de color. Here we got comes with the app. You can change the colors. Let me see if I can get it all in one shot for y'all. See, play with the color wheel. Changes instantly. On here, you could also do different modes. So we go to modes, and it comes with all these different modes. So you could see, sorry, camera isn't really focusing. You got these different modes. So if you click this one, it jumps the colors on here. And then if we click this one, it changes the color slowly. And if we wanted to like flash, it does that little cop thing. And it just slowly progress. And we got this one, the multicolor on it as well. This one's just different mode. Let's see. This one, I was running this one earlier. Just because, you know, black and white. I was running this one. Make it look like a candy cane, sort of for Christmas. Y ahí quedó la cosita, pero sí. Abajo en la descripción, una 11 para que reciban el 11% de descuento. Y también vamos a regalar una para que lo sigan ahí en el Instagram. Gracias.